Hello everyone, I am very excited that we are at Pilot Knob State Park. So our whole family, we just moved to Iowa a few months ago and it's all flat land and cornfields everywhere. But not too far from us is this state park. And it's the highest elevation in the state and lots of trees that we've missed. So I'll be showing off some of it to you. Here is the map. And so it's got this lake here, Dead Man's Lake, and some hiking trails and an observation tower. And so here's our happy puppers, and we'll show off some of it as we go. This is the observation tower at Pilot Knob State Park. Come on.
You want me to walk with you, bud? Going up the observation tower. I did not know I was recording that whole time. I did like a whole video of nothing, but Archer was too scared to come up here because you can see through these steps and it's all echoey. So he went up 2 sets of steps and then he changed his mind and wanted to come out. So Mabel and I are gonna go to the top and we're at the top. Ooh, that sun. So this is the highest point in Iowa, I think Michael said. It's pretty awesome.
Now we're at Ledges State Park in Ames, Iowa. And we don't really know anything about it, but here's the trail map. We're gonna go on the Lost Lake Nature Trail. Here's this cool wetland we came upon. And when we walked up, lots of little frogs went peeping into the water. Oh, hey Mabel. She's so chill.
She likes hiking. Hey everyone! So we are out. Oh, Mabel wants to say hey. We're out hiking at Ledges State Park near Ames, Iowa, which is like an hour and a half from our house. Yeah. And today is Michael's birthday. So we got up early this morning. I started making his birthday cake. And then we had buttermilk pancakes for breakfast. And we got all ready and we did presents. And then we got all ready and drove down here. And we're so excited. We've missed hiking and it's so nice out here. It's perfect weather today. And I chose to talk while I'm hiking up a hill. Yes, there are hills in Iowa. And Anyway, we've been checking out the little hiking spots lately. I think in this video you'll also see Pilot Knobs State Park, which was near our house. And yeah, it's so pretty. So good to be in the woods again.
This is Table Rock, because we're on a big rock table. Very far down there.
All right, we decided to do a second hike at Ledges State Park. And there's a little hike to Table Rock, and you can like walk out on this flat rock, and there's a fence around it and look down, which you saw. And then we were like, okay, well, let's take this other trail back. And it goes up to the top of the mountain to this area that is the Council Ring. Pretty cool. So guess which way we came up? This way? No. This way? No. That way. Somehow found this like straight up through the mud and sticks way to go instead of the nice little paved trail, of course. Oh, fun, fun. It's always an adventure with us. So we just arrived at the state park where we live. This is pretty small. It's not really, doesn't really look like a lot of hiking here, but it's on the lake and it's beautiful. So we're gonna walk around and check some things out. This morning we also checked out the farmer's market where we live. Oh, Michael found something. Anyway, it was pretty small, but it was a really cool, cute little farmer's market. We got some tomatoes and some peppers. What'd you find?
I found my very first hen of the woods.
Really?
It's dry and buggy and unusable.
Oh, yeah.
But it's my first one.
Oh, that's so exciting.
I know it is. So maybe there's more.
Maybe, I
I've got
hope
the kids
so.
hunting. But there's all old oaks around here, so should be some.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
I hope you find a fresh one.
Me too.
This is such a cute little lodge at the park. Looks like you can rent out this little area over here. I'm gonna get closer and check it out, but this little windowed area is so pretty. So yeah, there's this little light and these flowers. Can't really see inside. And then a little picnic area with a fireplace and a little area to grill. This is so super cute. Wow, look at those big wooden doors. I have got to find out about renting this area. And it's right near our house. So cool. always a bonus and a plus, especially at a state park, especially on the lake. We are definitely going to look more into coming here again.
So this is Clear Lake State Park, and actually you'll see in the other footage that there's a lake behind us, Clear Lake. Actually, I might be able to show you. Yeah, you can see in the background there. And it's got a nice little beach that's all pebbly, and there's a lot of oaks around, and this is a little trail that we don't know where it leads, but I'll take you down it and we'll see what it looks like. And this is literally like 5 minutes from our house.
We're coming out of the woods into a grassy patch, and we have no idea where this leads to, but it's an adventure. We made it. We came back out at the other end from this trail.